Francine from Langwood has a question about humidity control.
She just replaced her 3-ton AC and furnace, Tom, and Francine writes to us, ever since I felt warm and hot in my bedroom. It was the last room to cool. Man, I can relate to that. We've got the evaporator or the condenser unit right on the other side of the wall of our bedroom.
Yes.
And yet we're the last one on the chain to get the air conditioning on our bedroom. So I feel your pain. So anyway, the AC guy came out to check the ducts, but found nothing and left. And long story short, I had humidity in my home up to 80% as measured on his gauges. It says right there, 80%.
Wait a minute. That's on the outside. That's outside humidity, not inside.
So you're saying that this is not 80%?
No. Because it's not inside the house, it's outside the house. That's a condensing coil.
Well, Francine, you don't know how to read these gauges. That's
true.
your problem. No, okay. Well, the AC guy came back and replaced the thermostat and said everything else is good. And the humidity is still at 59%.
That's better.
Okay.
50 to 60%, you're good, and that's Houston, especially this year with all the rain we've had.
So there's nothing else you can do about that?
No, and that picture was an outside humidity rating. So people have to be very careful when they're looking at these types of gauges and instruments, and don't just say, oh, it's 80%, and it's outside. That was a condensing coil.
So is that like measuring some sort of humidity that it's...
It was just measuring the humidity on the outside coming off the condensing coil. And 80% actually was probably pretty good. It wasn't raining that day.
Does that mean it's pulling 80% out, or...?
No, it means that it's 80% outside.
Okay.
That's simple. So be careful how you read these things, because a lot of... You know what happens, Charlie, is a lot of guys that come work on people's homes, they don't explain enough. Mm-hmm. And then people see this and they make assumptions. So 59 inside, 80% outside, that's pretty good, especially this time of year.
So let's just get to the root of her issue here, is that her bedroom isn't getting cool enough.
That's different.
Okay, so what is that?
That's static pressure, and that's where Rick from Absolute Comfort Air comes in. Pow! No, that's totally different than what the picture is and what the humidities are. That is a ductwork problem.
All right, so she needs to have him come do a static pressure test. I've heard you say that before. Is that what she needs here?
Yes, okay. And she might need a return air in her bedroom, like I have, and maybe you have. I don't know how your house is set up. There you go. Yep. And so it just needs to be mixed up more and get into the system and come back to you. But it has nothing to do with that reading or the humidity outside as opposed to inside. And 59% this time of year with all the rain we've had is not bad if your system is running right.
But if it's not cooling enough, then that's the solution.
That's different. That's not enough supply to a particular room.
Yeah, there you go, Francine. All right, do you have a question? We can help you out just like that. You can send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form on our website, and then we'll put it in a video just like these over here.